Hello, people out there. I'm the Yadav. Welcome back to day 3 of 10 days series where I'll take you from zero to fluent in English. So, today's topic is very important for beginner. How writing in English improve speaking and thinking ability. Now, why writing is important before speaking. So, many beginners want to speak English directly, but they feel stuck and confused. And the reason is very clear. Their thoughts in English are not clear. So, writing helps you to organize thought, build sentence slowly, reduce the fear of speaking. Like, writing is a practice before speaking. Okay, how writing builds thinking in English. So, most learners are thinking in their mother tongue and then translate into English. This causes hesitation and long pauses. So, when you write, your thoughts become clear. Your translation slowly stop. You start thinking faster. Basically, writing trains your mind to think directly in English. Let's come to advantage of writing. First is better sentence formation. Writing help you to understand word order, basic tense, complete sentence. So, when sentences are clear in writing, they come naturally in speaking. Second is less hesitation while speaking. Hesitations come when you don't know what to say next. So, writing daily improve your idea flow, word recall, and it will makes conversation smoother. Third point is natural vocabulary growth. You don't have to memorize long word list because writing help you to repeat common word, use them in real sentences, remember them easily, and it's build active vocabulary which can you actually speak. Fourth and last advantage is confidence building. When you see your thought on paper, you feel improvement, fear reduce, confidence increase. So confidence in writing turns confidence in speaking. Now, journaling is a best option for beginner. Like the easiest method to improve your writing is journaling. Write about your thoughts, your day, your emotion, what you learn. Even simple writing gives you powerful results. So I'm just saying you start journaling. It's so good for everyone, not for writing in English. It's so good for mindset, thought process, everything. Journaling is, you all have to do that. Powerful practice method. Write, read, speak. Like write 5 6 sentences, read them loud, speak the same sentences without reading. This connect writing, thinking, and speaking. Like writing is a silent speaking, and speaking is a loud writing. You understand? If you learn one, you automatically get learn other. You understand? If you improve one, the other one automatically improve. That's it for this video. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say and you relate with it. And one more thing is, I'm not professional, is it? Professional in it. It's just what I know about learning English. It just I share with you. Yeah. Always remember in your mind. Please don't criticize if I did any mistake or I do any mistake because I'm saying I mean it. I'm not professional on it, this particular language. I'm still a learner. It's just what I learn. I want to share with you guys. That's why I do. So I hope you understand it. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel, share this video, and comment on it. Yeah, radhe radhe.